Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's doing a trade recap and they have hindsight in their favor or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 28.70 for a put here. I go to 27.70 now. Oh, it was close. That's the move I wanted. So got to go to 26.70 now. I am doing options, so if that means nothing to you when I say that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I will link you to a free video guide that I put together called The Big Basics of Options. That'll help make all this make more sense. Options can be made complicated, yes, but they don't need to be complicated. And I am taking the non-complicated approach to all this. So like I said, if you want to learn more about kind of the lingo and how they work, just leave that comment. All right, I will pause for now, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 28.70 for a put. Nope, and it's just I got to go to 27.70 now. We'll see if we can push up through there. But 28.70, if I were to get filled, started to become that area where it felt like I was just going to be immediately underwater. Okay, let's see if we can get 27.70. There we go. In at 27.20. Excuse me, 27.70. What the crazy move there. All right, I am now in loss control mode. See if we can come down a bit, get me out at 27.50. Come down to 27 now. It's having a hard time getting me out at even 27. Come on, 27. Okay. 26.50 now we'll try. See what it wants to do. This point, let's see if I can just get out at 26. 26 is hard to get out at now. And out. $170 loss. Clearly not a good entry point. Didn't care about those levels at all. Just kept going. So it is what it is. Sometimes you'll I don't know if the mic's picking up my daughter, but I did try to pick up another contract down, but it never failed me. So I thought, you know, never mind on that one. All right, starting off down 170. I will pause and we'll see what else is out there. Have an order at 28.50 here. In 28.50. Out for a quick $50 move. Gonna go to 25.50 now. And we'll try it all over again. Now, I'm not looking to try to get the whole gain back in a single trade or anything like that. Just sticking with the strategy. No strategy is going to be perfect. No management technique is going to be perfect. So, you know, and if I don't get back to green today, so be it. But I'm definitely not going to start to change things up. Not going to go into revenge trade mode, all of a sudden increase my position size. Now, if something really, really solid comes up, maybe I'll go up to 2 contracts, but it's not like you're all going to all of a sudden I'm going to be doing 10 contracts or something. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 29.50 in 29.50 out for another quick $50. Very good. We'll go to 27.50 now if this wants to come on back down. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. So again, just another quick little trade there, $50. And still in the red, and that's fine. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 27.50 here for a put. Pretty crazy movement right now. Looking like this thing's starting to get top heavy. I'll keep a close eye on it, but I'll go ahead and pause. Are you going to try for, and I got that, put. And out there for $50. Let's go to 28.50. 27.50 actually. So if we can get another explosion to the upside, I'll be ready at 27.50. For another put. Like I said, you want to see this make another push to the upside here. So that was another $50 move. So now down 20 bucks. Well, with commissions, let's call it about 30 bucks on the day. So who knows if I can get another quick little $50 sniper shot. Maybe I end up in the green, but we'll see what happens. I'm not going to force a trade. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 27.70. Although I got to change it to 26.70 now. I'm at 26.70 for a call. I was on best bid, but there wasn't enough downwards pressure to actually fill me. All right, I will pause. Okay, maybe here. Nope, once again, was on that best bid, did not fill me. All right. We'll have to go to 25.50 now at this point. You can scroll back and you'll see I was sitting there, and it did not fill. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 28.30. That's what I wanted in it. It's just not filling me. Let's try 27.50. Nope. Try 26.70. I'm playing just extra careful because this thing is jumpy, and I'd rather err on the side of caution and not get filled rather than get filled at the start of a big jumpy move that puts me immediately underwater. So I'm trying to time it up a bit. 25.10 should put me right where I want to be. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 34.40 for you members of the community. Trying to play a wolf head here. For those of you that are members of my program, that should sound familiar. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm going to throw out an order out here at 23.50. Some very intense action right now. I'll keep a close eye on it. The wolf head never did ultimately trigger. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, coming down. Again, looking for 22.50 in at 22.50. Out for another $50, and wouldn't you know it, I'm green on the day. But the party's not over on this one, so I'm going to change strike prices on it. And if this thing wants to keep getting crazy, let's go to 24.70, which I know, super far away, but if this is the start of a much more violent move, then I want to be sure that I'm playing things extra cautious here. But yeah, I am now officially back green on the day. Just taking it one trade at a time, not trying to force anything, not trying to, like I said back at the beginning of the video, you know, dramatically increase size. There must be news out or something. This is pretty crazy action, but okay, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. And I will note that I understand looking down here at my results, you may be thinking, Clay, what just happened? It took you 4 trades compared to that one loser just to have a small green day. What's up with your risk reward? What is going on in their strategy? All good questions. And I'm going to actually do a separate video on it so I can give it enough explanation. So if you do want to see that video, just type in the comment section, risk video, please, or risk video, and I will link you to that video. That way you have a better explanation, because it is a very good observation on your part, and a very good question is, wow, that's pretty bad, Clay. I mean, it took you 4 winning trades to just get back to a little bit green from that one losing trade. So what is going on? Again, very good question. So just comment risk video or risk video and risk video, please. And I will know what you mean, and I'll link you to that video for a more in-depth explanation with data and stuff like that that explains more so of what's going on. But overall, very happy with today. Stuck with the strategy, didn't go crazy, didn't do anything bizarre, and there it actually got back to being green, which was, as I talked about earlier on in the video, never the plan. But sometimes you don't necessarily plan on getting back to green, but it can still happen, and that's exactly what happened here. So all things considered, happy with how today turned out. Obviously, that first trade Wish I didn't take it. Wish I would have been a little bit quicker on the loss, but that's just how it goes sometimes. But thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And again, if you want to see the more deeper explanation that explains kind of the results from today, let me know down in the comment section. Take care. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.